a one new product review. Let's quickly open it. So this is 7 MAI Dash Cam Pro Plus. What are the features we have here is 2.7K Ultra SD video. So this is compatible with app, iOS and Android, dual channel recording, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Okay, so this comes with parking monitoring as well, A500S. The cost says 12,999, but I purchased in 7,600 something during sale. Let's quickly open it. Packaging तो बहुत अच्छी है. This is looking very nice, the package. Okay, so this is the main unit. See how it look like. I think this will go. Oh, this is the screen. Okay, so this is the screen. I'll just show you. So it has DC in port, AV in port and micro SD slot. The branding 70 MAI Dash Cam Pro Plus. So model name is A500S. Input 5 watt. Okay. So there are 4 buttons, button 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's a power options. Okay, so this is the power, this is button 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's keep it aside. We'll see. I'll show you quality of the video as well with the installations process and everything. Let's quickly see what are the things there inside the box. Okay, just what is this? Well, this is something called stand, I don't know. So this is the cable. Okay, this looks good. The length of the cable looks good. I'll give the exact dimensions whether it will fit in the car or not. So this is the unit which will go and stuck in the shield glass unit. What else? Okay, what is this? Okay, this will go to your charging point, the cigarette, or you can say the hole where you can put it. You will get the power output from here. So let's keep it aside. That's all for this unit. I'll keep this side. Okay, let's quickly open this one. Okay, so this is a film. Okay, this is going to use in the shell, and the instruction is given over here. If you can see, they have mentioned the instructions as well. There are two. Okay, this is an additional glue stickers to stick your unit, and this is your user manual. Okay, functional button, power display, power port, rear camera port, memory slot, speaker, camera mounting slot, microphone indicators. Okay, installations process. Okay, this is the accessories optional. Download 70 MI app. So this is for QR code to download the applications. It says that Android 4.4 and iOS 9.0 or above is required. So this is the minimum required to install your application for Android and iOS. So what are the things there in the package is dash cam 1, okay, mount, okay, power cord 1, dual USB charger 1, wiring crowbar is 1, electrostatic sticker 2, okay, this is that electrostatic sticker, adhesive sticker 2, okay, no, this is adhesive sticker, this is electrostatic sticker, sorry, and one user manual. Okay, so by the way, this is recommended by 70 MI. So this is the best camera which provide 1944 pixel 2.4K resolutions. So this is the process where you can install it. So I need to go through and then install in my car, and I'll tell you how it works. Okay, so I'll keep it aside. This thing I will give you a closer look. Okay, it has display. Okay, I'll keep it as of now. This looks good. I think it's 250 or 350 grams of weight it has. Yeah, you can go up to 128 GB of memory slots. By the way, it's provide a time-lapse continuous parking recording, which will go into the loop. Then it gives you low battery indicator as well, so it will actually tell you that the battery is going down and running out, so you can put in charge or something. You can do that about that. Then it comes with CPL filter, which is basically which give you the more clarity when it's go for the recording. So it will not reflect the basically the dashboard towards your glass, and that CPL, this is the feature called CPL, called circular polarizing lens. So this is one of the device which is having CPL. Other product also comes with a CPL, but this is the best one which I think in the market, so that's the reason I chose this one. But let's see how it works. So this is the one, another feature. Then other features is comes with 5 megapixel yeah, so this is 5 megapixel sensor, and it comes with a dual core processor which give you more clarity, and it comes with a powerful processor which help you to take a more good quality of pictures. So let's see, we will test it and we will see. So one of the another reasons to buy this product is about the ADAS. So that's very trending features as of now in the Indian market, because if you have seen my review about the MG Astra, so MG Astra comes with the inbuilt feature of ADAS, but if you don't have that in your car, then you can buy this device and you can install in your car, and you can take the benefit of ADAS systems. So if you don't know about the ADAS system, so maybe I can review ADAS features with this camera and demonstrating about how it works. So ADAS is Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, and it will tell you about how far the car is moving ahead of your car, and if any object comes near to your car, it will indicate by given vibrations or some mode of indications. So that's a good features. So obviously that's not good for Indian road, but yes, that's good for highway. Then it comes with a route tracker as well, so you can track the route if you don't have the route tracker inbuilt in your system or in your car. That feature also you can use it. And I think if I'm not wrong, it has 2-inch of LCD screen which we saw just now, and that screen we can, if you fix it in the camera. Okay, let's see here. If you fix it in the camera, you can see that. Okay, so at least it will give the visualizations, but some of the devices does not come with the screen. So I think this is a good feature where you can check your output directly rather checking in the device's mobile. So let's install it, and then we'll see how the quality is, and then we'll check some of the feature like ADAS and other route tracker and all. I'm just trying to see where. Okay, so this is the unit. Yeah, so there it goes. It goes like this or something, and it will go and fix in your. Okay, not here. Okay, I need to explore it. I don't know where it is. Okay, I think it will go like this. Does it rotate? Yeah, it rotate also. Not much, but yeah, it does. So it will go like this. Oops. Okay, so that's all about unboxing this 70 MAI devices, and then I will install the application. I'll show you how it works. Thank you.